All right, everyone. Today we're taking a look at the Xiaomi Poco M8 Pro. At first glance, this phone already gives a strong impression with a modern design, a large battery, a smooth display, and hardware that looks ready for everyday use and gaming as well. On paper, the specs actually look pretty interesting. So in this video, let's talk about what the Poco M8 Pro brings and whether the overall package feels exciting for regular users. Starting with the design, the Poco M8 Pro comes with a clean and modern look. It has a glass front protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, while the frame uses reinforced materials to improve durability. The phone weighs around 206 grams, so yes, it's not super light, but considering the big battery inside, that weight actually makes sense. Another nice thing here is the IP68 and IP69 rating. In simple terms, this phone has protection against dust and water, so users can feel a little more confident during daily use. Moving to the display, this is one of the highlights of the Poco M8 Pro. It uses a 6.83-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1280 by 2772 pixels. The screen supports 120 Hz refresh rate, making scrolling feel smoother and animations look more fluid. For people who watch videos a lot, there's support for HDR10+ and Dolby Vision. Colors should appear more vibrant and content can look more immersive. The peak brightness can even reach up to 3200 nits, meaning outdoor visibility under bright sunlight should be very comfortable. Now let's talk performance. The Poco M8 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 7S Gen 4, paired with up to 12 GB RAM and up to 512 GB storage. For everyday activities like social media, multitasking, streaming, or switching between apps, this setup should feel responsive. The chipset is also capable enough for gaming. Combined with the Adreno 810 GPU, users should get a smooth experience for many popular games. The phone also runs Android 15 with HyperOS 2, and Xiaomi promises up to 4 major Android updates, which is nice for long-term use. For cameras, on the back, we get a 50-megapixel main camera with OIS, plus an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The main camera should help capture detailed photos, while OIS, or optical image stabilization, helps reduce shakes when taking pictures or recording videos. For landscape shots or group photos, the ultra-wide camera gives a wider field of view. Meanwhile, on the front, there's a 32-megapixel selfie camera capable of recording up to full HD at 60 frames per second. So for selfies, video calls, or content creation, it should do the job nicely. Poco M8 Pro also comes with stereo speakers and Dolby Atmos support. This should provide a fuller sound experience while watching videos or playing games. Other features include an under-display fingerprint scanner, NFC depending on region, an infrared blaster, dual-band Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 5.4. So for daily use, Xiaomi seems to include most of the features people actually use. Finally, battery. The Poco M8 Pro packs a huge 6500 mAh battery. For most users, this should comfortably last all day, even with heavy usage. Charging is also impressive because it supports 100-watt fast charging, and Xiaomi claims the phone can reach full charge in around 40 minutes. Overall, the Xiaomi Poco M8 Pro brings a balanced package: a large battery, bright AMOLED display, capable performance, modern software, and useful daily features. Looking at the complete package, this device feels designed to handle many types of users. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech content. See you in the next video.